today's video from Nuwara Eliya in Sri Lanka. First impression of Nuwara Eliya?
It's cold.
It is. It is significantly cooler than anywhere else in Sri Lanka. Today we are going to see some tea factories. And we are just standing outside of our guest house trying to get a tuk-tuk, so come on, let's go. This is the place we're staying. It is called Eastern Bungalow and it's nice. It's just very cold.
So people drive up here to buy vegetables?
Yeah, people are coming from the Colombo, Candy.
No.
Yeah.
Oh, that's a long trip.
Yeah.
Ah, okay. Wow. So vegetables come from here, up in the mountains. We were actually on our way to Bluefields tea factory, but our driver told us that Macbook tea factory has the best view, so now I think we're doing both of them and starting out at Macbook so we can put up the drone and get some great shots. We are starting a small guided tour of the tea factory with a little group of people. We have to wait for about 20 seconds before we can get the tour.
And there is a big fan which is blowing and it takes away 50% of moisture. By the chute, we are sending down the rolling machine. Let me see the rolling machine downstairs.
This is where they get all the water out of the tea. Now they start out with 2,000 something and they end up with 1,000 because half of it.
This is only sun dry, okay? And this is good for the health, for an energy tea.
That was it for the Macbook tea plantation, or the Damro tea. I hope I got some good drone footage. You're not actually allowed to go into the tea fields, I think.
Which is weird.
Which is weird, and which is a bit of a shame, because we wanted some pictures and some drone shots closer, but yeah, I didn't dare because there are a lot of power lines here, so yeah, we could have crashed and could have done major damage. The only damage we did was that Matthias actually knocked the cup of tea out of my hand inside the cafeteria. So the tea went everywhere. Now we're at a place called Bluefields Tea Factory. It is a few kilometers further out from Nuwara Eliya than the Macbook one. And excuse if the quality is horrible. Turns out the tea broke the camera. So annoying. So yeah, we're filming on our phone and hoping that the camera will be alright if it just gets to sleep a little bit.
We have 150 tea pluckers are plucking tea leaves, only the women.
Only the women?
Yeah.
Why only women?
It's traditional work. One woman daily target is 20 kilograms per a day.
Ready?
Yeah. After they pluck in tea leaves, they bring here and balance here.
This is interesting. You get to know a bit more this place.
Yeah, this time we only have one. We are the only ones.
The shortcut. Oh, the one we saw up there.
I'll show you upstairs.
Yes.
This
Yeah.
one. Okay?
This is short.
Yeah. Come this machine, unroll it and crush in tea leaves.
This is when the tea has been fermented.
Yeah. After 3 hours.
The tour of this tea factory, the Bluefields tea factory, was really interesting and we can highly recommend it. Our guide was so nice and so knowledgeable. She told us that there are 150 workers working here in the tea fields and that each of them work from 8 to 5 every day and pluck 20 kilos of tea. And of those 20 kilos, they get like fermented and something. It ends up being only 4 kilos of tea. So for a whole day's work, they produce 4 kilos each. So come on, let's go. We have this camera, so hopefully we can get some good footage or at least some good pictures. It's such a shame and I'm so pissed. Not pissed, I'm actually just sad. But we're in the tea country. You can actually see the women plucking tea here. If you want to take pictures with them, you should tip them a bit. But for now we are just walking around, enjoying the views. This is spectacular. The Macbook is really nice because you have the view over the tea fields, but here you have the view over the mountains. The miracle has happened and the camera works again, and now I'm really happy, and now I'm pumped, and now I'm psyched, and now I can't wait to get on with the day, and it is so amazing. The battery on this ran out though, but we got some amazing images. I think I will insert some of them here. These tea fields are amazing, and it's so nice that you can actually go into them and walk around in them. It makes a huge difference in like the overall experience. And the women here, they work really hard, and they come up and they say, oh, photo, because then they can earn some money. I read that it's Indian Tamil people, it's not Sri Lankan people, because they are so underpaid. So yeah, you could say remember that when you drink your tea and be sad, or you could just appreciate it that much more. I don't know. We saw a video from here from Hugo and Noemi from We Wonder Asia, and I think he said it really well. He said they work really hard for it, so enjoy it. Our driver is waving us down, and we are in a bit of a hurry because we also would like to see the waterfall. There's a waterfall close to here, so we are leaving the tea fields now, but it has been such a nice experience, and it was even nicer because my camera came back from the dead. We are on our way to the Ramboda Waterfall, which is only a couple of kilometers away from the Blue Field Tea Factory, and I'm getting tuk-tuk here. We just stopped here because there appears to be some sort of a problem between some police and some tuk-tuk drivers, so our driver wants to see what's up. And while that is happening, we can actually see this waterfall. We are on our way up the steps to the Rambutan something. I will ride it. Oh! I'm sorry. You just hit your head on a twig. I will write the name of the waterfall. It looks really nice. Still not sure what actually happened. Why there was so much police. This is really hot. And our driver's just running ahead. Seriously. I want to do this if you're in good shape, which I'm not. Otherwise just look at it from the bottom and then have a cup of tea. If this was on a treadmill, definitely would have given up by now.
It's too hot.
It's too hot. That hasn't
I'm
happened
sweating
before.
crazy.
Also because our driver's just...
He's just pacing. He's all the way up there.
You're definitely in better shape than we are. We finally made it, and I'm sweating, so let's face the camera away from me and watch the waterfall instead. We are so tired, so instead of walking anymore right now, we are gonna put up the drone and show this to you guys. Now we are going to go a little further over there to see the waterfall. It's very slippery, and I don't have the best of luck today, so I'm a little bit afraid.
There was a lot of police outside the roads to find out that somebody had fallen down, was walking around up there, and the door gripped.
Because they're like slanted, the rocks over there, so you can see why you would have trouble. We actually did not expect this waterfall to be this awesome, but it was. You just said it was one of the most beautiful waterfalls you've ever seen.
It definitely is. It's so beautiful. It's so crazy, and the thing is you can swim down in the bottom. I think that's so cool too.
We didn't bring bathing suits though.
No,
so,
unfortunately not.
I think our driver is okay happy. We are taking so long, taking pictures and droning and everything. But now I think we are gonna say bye-bye to the Ramboda Waterfall and head back to Nuwara Eliya. Our driver has just dropped us off in the center of Nuwara Eliya. I am so tired right now. It's been a great day.
long day.
Yeah, that walk to the waterfall,
That was so hard.
that was almost it for me.
I was about to quit like 3 or 4 times.
Yeah, and when you're about to quit,
Then it's hard.
yeah, then it's hard. I'm the quitter. Yeah, but we had an amazing day here in Nuwara Eliya, and our driver was so nice. I got his number and his name. His name is Chandimal, and I'm gonna put his number in the description box if you're here and you would like a nice driver. We paid 2,000 rupees for the whole day. I think we drove like around for like 5 hours and stuff, and it was an amazing experience.
It was.
Both tea factories are free to visit. At the second tea factory, we gave our guide 200 rupees.
Yeah, we had a
tipped
personal
her.
guide there. So.
Yeah, because she was showing just the 2 of us around, so we tipped her 200. And yeah, then if you take pictures of the workers, you can tip them like 20 or 50. They will say that they want more, but I think that is the norm. Yeah, it's been a great day. The waterfall was also free to see, so the only expense you have is the tuk-tuk, and the drive is amazing. The most beautiful drive we've ever been on. Yeah.
I think if you have a scooter or something like that, it would be so amazing to drive around.
Yeah, that would also be cool. But the tuk-tuk ride in itself is an experience. It was so nice. Now we're gonna get some vegetarian food from a place we've seen down here and call it a day. I'm sure that when we get to the restaurant, I will be too tired to end this video. So please like it if you enjoyed it, and subscribe to our channel. That would mean a lot. And thank you so much to all of you who subscribed in the past couple of weeks. It's been amazing. Thank you so much. And we'll see you in our next video. And now, we're gonna go. Bye.
Bye.